Nenkai.
Eu?
Supa?
Oleng.
Atishipe taata anoto.
Ata nanu.
Itishipe
pi.
Kaji ing'ua?
Naimina enkiyio.
Naimina enkiyio? Iyiolo ajo nyoo eji naimina enkiyio?
Kayiolo oleng.
Nyoo ina?
Nanu manya naimina enkiyio.
Oh, imanya naimina enkiyio?
Atua entim pii. Olmasani.
Kanu iewuo iyie Kenya?
Wow, kelakua oleng. Olarin tikitam naudo?
2009.
Nenkai.
Eu?
Kasupat.
Karasupat oleng. Metii enyamali pii. Sidai endama, enkolong sapuk. Kata chipai nanu. Olomayana. Kore iyie?
Lele nanu.
Kejaa?
Kesidai pii oye.
Ata nanu karasupat oleng. Tata kalo nanu enteke. Kalo Nairobi. Kayieu nadol oleng olpayian lai. Oye.
Ata nanu kayieu adol papa lai. Natii Nairobi. Egira aanyu iyiok.
Kejaa enkana lenye?
Memusi.
Memusi? Keji Memusi. Yes, keji. Yeah.
Lotu oshi Narok town?
Hello, Trisha.
Unakujanga, do you come to Narok town?
Yes. I come often.
Yeah, oftenly. Nice. Kaji amoshi pilotu Kenya, when you came to Kenya the first time?
Yes.
What did you love so much about Kenya?
Masai people.
Inyor Masai?
Yes. Kanya oleng. Masai spirituality. Kanya oleng Nenkai. Kanya oleng Masai ritual.
Yes.
Kanya oleng naimina enkiyio entim. Yes.
You love that nature?
Yes, I love that nature and I love the spirituality. Really.
Yes.
Really.
Kaji noti enkarna naji Nenkai?
Nenkai, yes. Keti shonanu. Kila koleng tekitamo onaudo. Yes.
Nakana.
Redio nanu. Oye kelo enkop ki Masai. Utena kata era Masai.
Yes.
Isho nanu enkana. Kila koleng, yes.
Adol oshi your son, is that young boy is your son?
Olomayana,
He really knows Kimasai.
Yes, because etubulwa enkop Kimasai.
Please go and say hi to him.
He grown up here and then he speaks fluently.
No, now let's speak English for a bit.
Yes.
You came to Kenya 2009.
Yes.
You said spirituality?
Yes, the first time I came because you need to know I'm French.
Yes.
Then English is not my language.
Yeah.
And then I came here the first time for an eco trip with Maasai people in Ololemu-Tiek. And I fall totally in love for Maasai people.
Yeah.
It's totally crazy. When I go France, I cry. It's like my body is broke. It's like my heart stay here and I go back France.
So the body is in French, but
and
your
my
heart
is here. And then it's so difficult. And then at this time, I decide to try to come to live here.
Yes.
And then I try to find job because I am nurse.
Yes.
But I don't find.
You are a nurse?
Yes, I'm nurse. And then little by little, the life make me gifts. This gift is my husband.
Yeah. So it's your husband?
Yes.
He's your husband?
Yes.
This is the man who won you.
We are married.
You are married?
Yes.
Did you take him to French?
Yes, several times. And we will go again in 11 days.
Why can't you tag me along? I follow you in TikTok.
Yes.
And I see you speaking in Kimasai.
Yes.
How did you learn Kimasai?
With him.
So he is your teacher in Kimasai?
With my teacher, he teach also our boy, Olomayana. And he know to speak my language also. He understand French. Yes.
What have you learned in Kenya since you came, especially in Maasai land?
The patience. The enchipai, the happiness.
Yes, enchipai.
And also to have totally confidence in Nenkai.
Yes.
Because Nenkai works for yourself, for you.
True.
All can be shared. and I sing the love, yes.
Wow.
Enyorata, Enchipai, Esipata.
Nenkai.
Nenkai, yes.
Wow.
Yes.
So, if I give you a moment,
Yes.
can you joke in Memusi?
If what? What I can
If I give you, what can you say to Memusi?
What I can say to him?
Yes.
Wow, it's so private. What I can say to him, I'm so proud of him.
Yes.
He's somebody so strong and so honest.
Yes.
I love him a lot, and what I love is strong, but at the same time he has sweetness for people.
Yeah.
He's somebody so straight, and yes, he's my lover, my husband, and my best friend.
Are you planning to stay in Maasai land forever, or you are planning to go to France?
You know, I cannot answer this question. Only Nenkai know.
Exactly.
Only Nenkai know.
Can you tell him what you've said in English, but now in Maasai?
Oh, Alejo. Maybe not all, but Alejo. Kanyo oleng olpayan lai. Amu. Ketikego oleng. O kemelok. O keti. Mechen yamali keti straight.
Keti straight. Ka sepani.
Yes.
In Maasai we say ka sepani.
Keata esipata atwa ulta olenye. Pi. O keata nkanito let. Oleng. Kenya oltunganak pokin.
So
Kenyan oleng.
Kenyan oleng.
Yes.
Yo mususu ba? Kan udah apa noro yang kasih pak?
Jalan kok.
Ya.
Jalan kok. Kalau larin.
Lebih di mana?
Kalau larin nage iya dah.
Larin nongwan.
Ngwan.
Kayak di kona ya bino dan kasih pak. Nah, sit there you went.
We are married since 4 years, but we met 6 years.
Yeah, we
6
met
years.
on
2018.
2018. Yeah, at Mara Laganshu. Come, the name is Laganshu.
Yes.
Oleh muja.
Era
Moran.
mana mana?
Di bawah dia lagi dasar ada gua dua taran nagala shumba. Yuara.
Yes.
Haha, kia orang rekan ini.
Ara itu. He was a Moran.
I am with him for Eunoto. Yes.
Wow.
We make all that together.
Yeah.
Yes.
Amazing.
Ya, ini gua ransho.
Yes.
Ini gua leona.
Ini gua lo. Ini nyoran lo. Ya tadi yang gitu yang. Enggak.
Hai, mal.
Enak yang gitu no.
Enak lagi.
Itu udah kira.
Nah, nara. Nah, ini ngoleh.
Wow.
Ya, nelaga macam sedih.
Show me your friends.
Hamo friends. Golong.
Golong.
Biri. Nih gue lagi Mushala.
They are French. Can you do in the matter of how to shade your governor? I'm asking you what's the difference between France and Masai land.
Yeah. They are domna. Belakan yole. Udah balik nakop. Nah, dia nak cuci doang ambil semua link.
Oh, in development.
Yes.
Leo.
Nah, ada nana Maasai kita mau ini. Lo bunula yang mulai ni buah sana serigala.
Tidak aku.
Ya kok. Mereka itu rumah saya ternyata dia. Ambil cuma dolen nak itu saya benda nala.
Ini lobe.
Ya kok. Ada sih bagaimana dia balik.
Yes.
Ada sih bagaimana.
Paham ada ni lari uang kasih sampai merah ni tadi anak iminengi yo. Kaji gore ni adapt nama Maisha.
Kenya na jamu. Boleh jawab na ibi solle.
India. France.
Ibi solle medol orang aku malah jawab orang ada district.
Yes.
Jual dulu na itu na jana. Dari agak dol. Lagi kan mana jumut. Majalah jauh dulu na jum kajo kajo.
Nah kayak jogi ye. What do you tell your wife? I want her to hear.
Yes.
Yeah.
Kajo ki asyoling. Fasting kajo ki asyoling. Amo uang na anyaki. Kumbe nenyo kaya minia ton. Tiada atuar Maasai. Tanya Maasai di. Angkayo ni kita namanya. Nenyo raro ni mau nengingko. Dia nyala. Tening toba. Agarona ke nyenyo.
Aboirare ndai.
Boirare yo.
Lari no one sai.
Heavy.
Wow.
I might have P complete.
4 years inside the bush.
Yes.
Wow. Wow.
Ande gasherina. Ade si ashweleng amora baba kirumona ramra lime yolo kai kudu. Ede ro mo jigero.
So when you started meeting, you used to talk with gestures.
Yes, just with picture. He said to me, Nenkai, all do in you. I did job. Mountain. Papillon, Samburu Buri. And all is like that in the beginning.
Wow.
That is 6 years.
6 years ago.
Yeah.
Wow.
Ona. Ade gahira na ro ngade.
Are.
Na ro ngade. Na kanu si amwe kenenga mu Maasai ene Maasai ni. Nyeton.
Kiara retot na ya wani nyete.
Kabisa. Sana. Ore na ara. Kwanza kinde vyo yoka nkambi. Na bogira.
Nkambi nyibogira.
Ide teulu.
Niginde buye miara iro.
Ani wadu ron sina ndu maisha amwe
Murano.
Leo.
Ore do amuni atua nana na mege magi ole kage eware ter Maasai.
Eware ni Maasai. Amu nina ni raki ni we gada.
Nyana eware.
Ni woni yare Maasai. Ngara na aisu ngara.
Kanyora ra kintengena ye emboita nyi.
Ma. Ai tengena emboita. Angone nye. Kwanza itengena ntonat na yore neju. Kiro ni pangai maisha kwanza. Tukete ba ni.
Nogi na roni na right life plan.
Yes.
All right.
Ndogi nene gada. Anyo rolling.
Yes.
Akajira kai ne udo muguri di maisha ine ro na karo lo ngali kini mona.
Endelea.
Endelea ndo nini.
Ito jakata ye ya akaiti to Maasai ye magira rena.
Ye magira. Ye magira na mu. Yo no ruga la ga koloni. Ala Maasai. Ore gui na ro na ngiriata. Ngiriata mo yo na Maasai yo gol. Mo ne ji wai kanyo.
Kanyo do ya na siai. Etu anga sirut.
Ye konna ngi. Konna ngi kidogo.
Age no nyoha yo irara.
Wae, salari kina mo. Ai bunga na maisha na nai. Idu do do ngari yo twana. Mo ngai yo ne nang mate. Nike ndesha. Ya ore ni nyamal na ndi na agiti maishino. Ni yetu. Hanja yo na.
Yes, maendelea maisha. Thank you guys. I am really happy to have met you in this town. You know, it was a coincidence.
Yes.
And I'm a man who talks in the streets. I don't really plan to meet people and do things.
It's
but
nice.
we meet
coincidentally
and we do these things. We will go to France. I just want to ask you one final question.
Yes.
One final question. How is the Kenyan tourism system?
I cannot answer this question really. Because we have a special job. You know, we work only with therapists.
Yes.
And then it's not the people don't come here to go Masai Mara only. It's friend. They come to learn about Maasai spirituality.
True.
Then it's not. I cannot to speak really about tourism. I think the same for you.
Yeah.
Us, what we know is to transmit, to explain.
Yes.
The Maasai spirituality, because I think for me the Maasai people can really help French people like me. You know, us, we are not straight totally inside. Sometimes we are weak in the mind, weak in the body, and the Maasai people is strong.
Yes.
And then they can help us.
Yes.
Is
to
that
grow above.
Yes. Yes.
Maybe you have fans. You have thousands of them, Maasais, who are watching you here, because I will put it in TikTok and Facebook. So talk to them in Kimasai.
Okay, Asholeng, Kashiva Nanu.
Yeah.
Aisilig Pokin Inining. Amu Enkutu Kimasai Kegaloleng. Kake Kanyoleng. Asholeng Pokin. Ashoye.
Thank you so much.
And Ashe Memusi.
Yeah. If you go to France, go say hi to our French brothers.
Okay.
Yeah, ore tena na bani dolda jore te siadi nene ke dolda ere pharmacy. Ore ere pharmacy na nabo rubat naatumieki biotisho sidai tiatua olosho lormaasai. Taparanirere pharmacy amu etii enkalo house tinewueji enkaji olentimama naa itum imasaa pookin etipat nindim anotie. Ashe oleng Kaji Daniel Olesito.
Olesere.
Olesere.
Ashe oleng.